Accumulate, to gather or collect. Dust accumulated on the old bookshelf. Advocate, to support or speak in favor of. The lawyer advocated for his client in court. Apprehensive, worried or anxious. She felt apprehensive about her job interview. Aspire, to have a strong desire to achieve something. She aspires to become a leader and inspire other women. Blunder, a careless mistake. She realized her blunder after submitting the wrong report. Comprehend, to understand fully. The teacher explained the lesson again to help students comprehend it. Conquer, to agree with someone. The doctors concurred on the diagnosis. Credible, believable or trustworthy. He is a credible witness in the case. Deplete, to use up or reduce. The long trip depleted his energy. Constrain, to restrict or limit. The small budget will constrain our project choices. Deter, to prevent or discourage. The high price of the groceries deterred him from buying it. Diverse, varied or different. The school has a diverse group of students. Dominate, to control or have power over. The new manager dominates the workplace with strict rules. Emerge, to come into view. The sun emerged from behind the clouds. Endeavor, a serious effort or attempt. His endeavor to climb the mountain succeeded. Enhance, to improve or make better. She took a course to enhance her leadership skills. Erratic, unpredictable or inconsistent. The company's erratic policies lead to employee frustration. Exceed, to go beyond a limit. His skills exceeded expectations. Exhibit, to show or display. The museum exhibit historical artifacts. Extinct, no longer existing. Dinosaurs are extinct. Feasible, possible to do. The plan is feasible with enough resources. Flourish, to grow or develop well. The flowers flourished in the garden. Fragile, easily broken. The glass is fragile. Fundamental, basic or essential. Time management is a fundamental skill for any leader. Generous, willing to give freely. She is generous in sharing her knowledge with new employees. Grumble, to complain quietly. He grumbled when asked to work overtime. Harmony, peaceful agreement. The family lives in harmony. Hinder, to slow down or obstruct. Heavy traffic hindered his arrival at the meeting. Hypothesis, a theory or educated guess. The scientist tested his hypothesis. Illustrate, to explain with examples. The manager used charts to illustrate the company's growth. immense, very large or great. The ocean is immense. Influence, to have an effect on. Her words influenced his decision. Innovative, new and creative. The company creates innovative gadgets. Legitimate, legal or valid. The manager had a legitimate reason for changing the policy. Linger, to stay longer than needed. The child lingered at the playground, not wanting to leave. Manipulate, to control in a clear way. He manipulated the situation to his advantage. Neglect, to ignore or fail to care for. She neglected to water the plants. Obsolete, no longer in use. Typewriters are now obsolete. Optimistic, hopeful about the future. She is optimistic about her future. Ponder, to think deeply about something. He pondered the meaning of life. Refrain, to avoid doing something. He refrained from having drinks to stay healthy. Justify, to prove something is right. He justified his decision with facts. Reluctant, unwilling or hesitant. He was reluctant to go to school. Retrieve, to get something back. The dog retrieved the ball from the lake. Profound, deep or meaningful. His teacher's kind words had a profound effect on his confidence. Elated, very happy or excited. He was elated when he received his birthday gift. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.